Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for checking me out, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below. Today I'll be showing you this very cheap DIY security camera that I got for 20 bucks. Let's check it out. So for 20 bucks, you really cannot beat much on the market when it comes to this security camera. And for the DIY or smart home person like myself, this is a great addition to my network of smart devices. I have two of these in my house, and honestly, it's great. We have one for the front door and then one for the kids' room. So it has motion detection. It also has sound alert, so it'll let you know. For example, in our kids' room, we use it to alert us when our kids are awake and talking, that or getting out of bed and moving around, during nap time or at night. It's great because it has all kinds of features. Let me show you here. So it has night vision, so obviously that's crucial there. And then I think the killer thing that for 20 bucks, I can't believe they give this away for free, but for 20 bucks, the fact that they give a 14-day free cloud recording. I'll show that in a screenshot that I'm going to be appending to this. 14-day free cloud recording is just awesome. The fact that I can go back in time and see alerts and see information and be able to record and watch, then download to my phone, it's just awesome. Not too much about the digital zoom, that's just there. It's not that big of a deal. So also, it's 1080p, two-way audio, and as I mentioned, the motion detection. As far as the information goes, it's a 2.4 gigahertz, so it won't really run on your fast Wi-Fi network, but really that's not that big of a deal. It's compatible with both Android and iOS. It's you get what you pay for 20 bucks, but honestly, for how it's packaged and what it is, it's a great little device. The setup process is dead simple. When you download the app, all you have to do is literally find the QR code at the bottom, and then it literally will sync up with your account, and you're off to the races. If you don't want to do the 14-day recording, if you want to really store it offline and have more recordings, it takes a micro SD card. So that's something that I'm looking to upgrade myself, so you can literally have all that for offline. Back of the thing is literally a plug-in for that, and look, it literally can be like that and can be compact. But also, if you need to move it up and around and to have it pivot, you can have it basically move to wherever you like, which is really nice. Again, for 20 bucks, this is a great DIY smart home security camera. You cannot beat it at all. And actually, I think they have upgraded one that has the tilt and pivot ability, which I'm looking to probably get for the inside of my house. And I think that one is only for 30 bucks. So I'll add both links in the description, obviously, so you can check them out. So now I'm going to give you a brief tutorial of the mobile app and show you all the different things you can play around with to tweak the camera to your liking and get the optimum settings that you would prefer. So this is the app for Wyze, the Wyze camera. As you can see, it has both of my cameras right on here. And it's just that these are not live pictures of my cameras. I have to dive into them, but it's kind of the last picture that I got when I opened up the thing. So if you were to just quickly open my front door, pulls up everything from what is showing outside of the front door. It has the sound. If I want to talk to the speak button right here, if I want to talk two-way audio here to the people at the front door, like that, it'll just audio do it. I can have it set to record, but it doesn't do it, unfortunately, until I have I'll say my phone here, but I can take a photo, I can do playback, I can do more, so I can just say time lapse. The only thing is about time lapse here, it won't work unless you have a micro SD card in the camera, which is the one thing I'm planning on buying for this eventually. So motion tagging, so playback. Basically, these things are not really, you can't use, unfortunately, until you have a micro SD card. But you can turn off here in the top left, SD, HD. For right now, since I don't have a micro SD, I'm doing HD, but SD is definitely the best thing to consider when you're having to record to a micro SD card. I have auto for the night time, so that way I can do it. For that, see, you can dive into more settings on the camera, like alert. So I have it for motion detection, sensitivity pretty low because I've noticed that when people walk in front of my house to take the trash out, for example, it kind of gets notified. But one cool thing that you can set up motion detection zones. So normally it's defaulted to full screen right here, but I've set up the detection zone. So for me, I've actually set it up. Let me adjust it for you. So you can adjust it. Like nobody's to be walking in to my house from from the area. So I don't need to be alerted about birds walking there. So if I adjust it like this, it'll only look to information right there. So by my front door, by the gate, and also right there. So let me save that. So I'll only be alerted now when somebody's. I don't have sound detection turned on for my front door because it's actually behind the glass, so there's really no point. But as you can see there, sound detection. I do have smoke alarm and CO2 because the camera is inside. I want to be notified about that if I'm away. And I have it alerting me all day long with that. Under advanced settings, you can go into more details about having the timestamp, recording the sync time, auto, and if you have local storage on a micro SD, that's where we really can dive into that. As you can see, as I mentioned earlier, they're always updating the firmware, and so it's nice to always get updates. And then, as I was mentioning, I get notifications whenever there's sound alerts or motion detection. So for example, motion alert. You can download. Oh, timed out. Hold on. Let me try a more recent one. So from earlier today. So let's see. Just when somebody walked up to my front door. So I can see when she was walking up to the front door. Yes, we do instant card. So it's not go back in time to see the recordings. So for motion alerts, sound alerts, everything, and it tells you which one if you've named it. So for example, you can see that in the morning my son was awake. He was messaging. I can go back in time. See, I can the timer or the timeline up here. I can go back 14 days as it's stated on the box, which is really, really handy. So I hope this review of the Wyze Cam really helped you in figuring out if this is the right camera for you for your security camera needs. Again, from my perspective, I think you can't really beat anything on the market for just 20 bucks and with all the features that this thing gives you. So make sure to leave a comment down below if you want me to answer any of your questions about this camera, or if you want me to review anything else in the future, please let me know. I'm happy to check them out and give you guys my thoughts on things. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.